Now we're going to be looking at the basics of single leg X. A fun little entry, elbow deep, shin on shin, going to block the other knee, and now I'm going to just roll to my side a little bit, kick her leg up. So from here, roll, kick, pull in, heel to the hip up, and knees together. The important thing is, when you're doing single leg X, is to have your hips super high. So you want your weight on their knee. So you don't want to feel that you're down to here because there's no connection to her body from here. So when you do single leg X, make sure your heel is on the hip, pull up, and then connect to here. The other thing is controlling the hip. You can either have just your elbow on here, or you can go for more like a straight ankle lock grip from here. That's the basics of this. The most basic and most common sweep from here is hips come up, and now I'm just gonna do a turn to the side. So I'm trying to turn her foot onto the side and her knee to the outside, and then hip up a little bit. So I'm gonna turn and then come down to here, and now we can control them and get a sweep from here because boom, out, come up, and then we stand here. The basics of X guard. And again, this is very much basics. Gonna have an angle in the armpit. Outside leg or the front leg is gonna go behind the knee, and the other one is gonna come up to the hip. And now from here, knee behind. And when you're here, the same like we did in single leg X, having tight, is I'm just not hanging out here, but I'm trying to like kind of squeeze everything together. So my foot is kicking this way out and the other one is kicking this way out. And the back knee is also squeezing a little bit. Because if I'm super loose here, it's fairly easy for them to move or just step over the leg if there's no active hook behind here. So just make sure that you constantly feel like you can lock onto them or like hook them with your legs. So again, this foot is also important, so don't have it down here. Come up to the hip, connect, because it also squeezes more on the knee behind here. Super simple sweep from here is I'm gonna push out a little bit with my legs, gonna slide down to her ankle and then kick. So a little push here, slide down, and then just push, and then we can control both legs, or again, foot on the ground, technical stand up. Again, the basics, stop that again. The basics of single leg X is when we slide into here, is to get your hips up behind their knees so you're onto their thigh and not onto their shin. So when you come in here, ankle into the armpit, hip up. So here, hip up, connect. Heel to the hip because it makes sure I can pull my hips up because I can use this to pull down so I can get myself up and connect. If you miss the sweep, then we're gonna end up where their back leg steps back. So from here, when I push, they're gonna step back. And now we can switch into the X guard, which is the inside leg is gonna come down behind the knee, and now the outside leg is gonna swim in through. I'm gonna keep my knee behind, and then foot up to the hip, and then tighten up around their leg. From another angle with single leg X, angle into the armpit, up, and again, if you land here and you don't get a good connection here, pull with the heel and get your hip behind their knee. So don't just kick straight up, but think about coming around their thigh so you can connect your knee and your heel. Because from here, I'm super tight on them. And again, elbow into the ankle or getting a straight ankle lock grip. And then we can sweep from here. Or again, if I push a little bit and they step, come down, connect, come around, and then connect here. This is also a super good control position and it's really easy to sweep from here. For the next part of the video, it's single leg X entries from different positions and then a stand-up sweep at the end. This part will be in Danish because it's from the normal classes that I normally teach.
Herfra, hvis I har brug for det, tag fat i knæet, skub ud, og så herfra, sving igennem, kom under og kom ind og lås fast. Eller er I herfra, få fat i håndledet, stræk skub, få ham ned, skyd igennem, bliv ved med at holde foden på knæet, slide under, hofte og op. Så vi er bare herfra, bum, ud igennem, ind og lås fast. Så hvis vi ligger i half guard her, hvis der er, vi skal ind til single leg X og så videre. Yderste fod kommer ind til butterfly hook. Vi kan enten komme til single leg X på det fjerne ben eller på det nærmeste ben. Så vi starter bare på den fjerne ben, der jeg prøver ligesom butterfly sweep ham. Så jeg trækker ham op her, løfter op, skyder igennem og kommer herover til det. Så jeg prøver egentlig bare at løfte hans hofte op derfra. Så løfter op her, skyder igennem og kommer under og kommer ud. Den nemmere metode, det er igen har butterfly, kommer igennem her, op i armhulen, og så bare trække knæene over. Så ligesom trække igennem her, skyde ud og komme igennem dertil. Og skal begynde at komme igennem. Så herfra armhul, så jeg kan få hans overkrop over til siden, ned under underhook, glider knæet under røven på ham her, op på fat, og skal vi komme hertil. Og hvis der er en over hertil, så kan I bare op og stå, og så crank in flag. Så konceptet er egentlig bare, at jeg prøver at sweep ham. Så herfra er jeg på fat, løfter op her, og så nu sparker jeg det øverste ben igennem og kører det andet skinben op. Så herfra, bum, løfter op, skyder igennem under armen, kommer ud. Først når kigger herfra, to måder, der sådan giver mere mening i hvert fald. Den ene er, tre måder, den gør noget. Den ene måde er herfra, trækker ham ned i half guard, bum, så kører vi butterfly hook igen, og så skal vi bare komme tilbage igen. Så vi er egentlig bare tilbage i half butterfly. Den anden herfra, da jeg prøver at hugge en skinben, og så prøver jeg bare at løfte ham op over, og så få det her ben åbnet op. Så herfra løfter op, skyder igennem og kommer ind. Så jeg prøver egentlig bare at bounce ham op i luften, så når jeg er fat her, løft op, løft benet ud, og skyde igennem og komme tilbage herind til. Den anden er mere eller mindre, nu begynder bare at angribe det andet ben, det er, hvis jeg kan få en underhook på det her ben, da igen ligesom med halfguarden før, da jeg kan trække ham over her, bum, og skyde benet igennem og komme tilbage over igen. Så her, ruller ned efter det andet ben, trækker ham over, bum, og skyde kommer op fat igen på den anden side. Så det der er målet, ligesom alle de andre gange vi snakker, det er at prøve at få hans vægt op over mine skuldre. Så hooker, herfra, ruller løft op, på mod balance, så bare dirigerer hans skinben med jeres tær, så når jeg ikke får fat her, er ligesom åbner op og kommer ud over. Når vi når hertil, jeg nævnte det sidste gang, pas på med, når I når hertil, at I gør det her. Fordi hvis jeg er fat her, hvis der er lidt sved, hvis han bare gør en lille smule her, så glider foden, og så begynder han at stikke af. Så når jeg ikke får fat her, sørg for at have sådan, knæene lidt mere 90 grader her, tæt på, så I gælder ud med det her. Fordi hans knæ begynder at glide væk derfra. Så jeg vil gerne sørge for, at hans knæ bliver på oversiden af min lår, så jeg ikke skubber ham væk derfra. Det er nemmere at angribe herfra, men det er også bare nemmere herfra at bare holde kontrol. Fordi hvis jeg bare bøjer benet her, er det svært for mig at stikke af. Når der vi laver det her stand-up sweep, vi har kørt et par gange, når vi kører under skulderen her og får fat. Sidste gang gjorde folk sådan her. Det der sker herfra, det er svært for mig at komme op, men det er også nemmere for ham enten at løbe ind i mig og bare lægge mig flat igen. Lad os se, hvad du gør her. Der, nu rører jeg ned igen. Så når der ikke når til at lave stand-up sweepet herfra, sørg for at komme ind på indersiden af benet, eller bare hook her, spark, sæt jer op, og så herfra nu sørg for, at den her bliver et eller andet sted på indersiden, bare som kontrol. Så hvis jeg fjerner den her, han føler, at han kan bevæge sig lidt nemmere, at han begynder at skubbe, hvor hvis jeg bare har det her, er det nok til at genere ham. Bum, begynder at komme op, og så kigger ham op derfra. Så både holde ham tæt nok på, men også holde ham langt nok væk fra. Så herfra, kom under, løft op, lille skub her, ned, bare fordi, altså selv det her er irriterende for ham. Ellers som jeg snakkede sidste gang, I gjorde skinben derinde, hvis der det er så det er svært. Men ellers bare, have en fod på indersiden af knæet her, prøv bare at stikke af for, eller løbe lidt væk her.
And I start going X-guard from here, there's not really anything, like he can easily just push and just start moving here and get out. So when you switch, try and get him a bit out of balance here, keep the pressure on the hip, slide down, and then from here you can switch. And again, keep pressure. So don't just go from from single leg X and just be like, oh, I'll just do this. He's just gonna bounce out. So here, just a little balance here, connect, hold it, and then come in and lock. The other thing is, if he starts leaning a little bit forward, trying to grab my head or something like that, in X-Guard, we can sometimes just like push him away and get enough. But otherwise, here, just start lifting and then come out. And then start coming up, get the back, whatever. But just, if he starts leaning forward, just instead of always trying to push away, just give it a little lift instead. And especially in single leg X here, if he sits down on a knee and or starts leaning forward here, and you're trying to like push him, it's fucking not gonna work. We can from here either lift and push over, or if we feel like we get to here and you just, here, slide down to X-Guard, because I feel at least I have more mobility and more pushing power, and I also have more lifting power from here compared to a single leg X. So if you end up in single leg X here and you feel like you can't get him away, just again slide down, connect, and then we can start lifting, and then we can start moving him around. Whatever you can catch. If it's here, whatever. Just like normally it's like just here because it's just the front part. Also, when you're in single leg X, I always expect this hand to go to that foot, no matter what happens. So if I'm afraid of that, you can either try grab it, or as soon as he grabs it, I know it's gonna happen, and then we swing over, and then again, start hand fighting right away. Because, bare hold balancen her. Because sometimes, even if I do like this, like he just stays, and I can't really get him over, but as soon as you grab this and I do this, now I can start getting him out of balance. Or again, here, and then we start coming in, and then it's, so just start hand fighting something, or you can grab the back of the knee, but still hand fighting is the easiest from here to pull him over. Or if I can feel he's grabbing my shin there, same here. Grab it or lock it in, and then boom, now we can start come over, and now we can start coming up. So just like everywhere else, hand fight, and then we have a better position when we win the hand fight. The last part of the video is positional sparring rounds, so I hope you can learn something from that as well. If someone matches your height, weight, or movement, maybe you can take something from the instructional part of the video and then see what works in sparring. If you learned anything from this video, please let me know in the comments, or if you had any success in your own training with some of these ideas or concepts. Prøv at komme op og stå, Christian. Prøv at komme ud af det og komme op og stå. Nå, det er bare, hvis du sidder fast der, fordi han kunne heller ikke rigtig komme op der. Så det var sådan en, bare gør et eller andet. Backstab ud. Ja, nu er det for sent. Nej, Simon. Hep! Rul ham fremad.
Den her vej?
Yep. Du har allerede reapet hans ben.
Ja, det er rigtigt her.
Yep.
Bare så få kontrol på det her, ikke?
Bare kontrol over det fjerne ben.
Herfra.
Og så bare begynde at rulle over. Ja, lige præcis. Fortsæt igennem. Hvis han ruller med her, der, og så kan du få den der. Lige præcis. Men jo, hvis han begynder at gøre det der, så må du bare vride ham fremad. Ja, der er ikke så meget andet at gøre ved det. Ja, lige præcis. Kæft, det var smukt, det der, Bjarke. Seriøst. Lige præcis. Og jeg har den der på video. Brazilian tap. Hvad så, Umar?
Fingers crossed. Go hard. Go.
Når man ser det der udtryk.
Jeg løber videre med kameraet, Jonas. Ja, det er også derfor. Tid! Giv ham et løft eller gør X-card. Nej, skub ham over din højre skulder. Sådan der. Yes, nemlig. Men det er bare, det er ikke lige op, det er altid sådan over en skulder. Så tænk på, om du kan få hans hænder på jorden sådan op over dig. Vi ses. Kan du gå væk? Ja. Nice. Kan du fucking lære det, Christian? Hey, prøv at, kan du ikke bare blive ned på jorden? Tid! Bare shin kick i siden af hovedet. Easy mode, easy mode. Jeg filmer kun de gode, Lasse.